Alright, happy Earth Day everybody, Zachman18AC here, and welcome back to the next episode of Animal Crossing New Leaf. Hi Kyle. You need furniture. Alright, I'll think about it. Well, we do have a striped TV that we can give him. Will you take my gift? Alright. To give me. I can't even tell what he's giving me. What? Theremin? Alright, well let's go check that out, I guess. I don't know. Jeez. I can't look at it in here. Let's go upstairs. Okay. What? What am I supposed to do with this thing? I'm literally frightened right now of what this is. Oh my god. So, a theremin. So it's an old style phone? Jeez. What a weird item to put in Animal Crossing. Alright. You know, I feel like getting some coffee today, so let's go get some coffee. It's Nature Day, why not? Yeah, that's what they call it in this game. In this Animal Crossing, they call it Nature Day instead of Earth Day. I think that it's been like that for all the other Animal Crossings. I'm not sure, though. Anybody in here? Nope. Get some to go. Alright, let's do this. We're head to the town center now. Get the coffee out. There we go. Using our special disposable cups today. Our green cups. Keeping TZMville green. Oh, hello. No! Yes! Me and Eugene are buds. He's not leaving. There's Marshall. I can't decide whether I like him or not. He's okay. I'm sorry, I can't. I'll wait for however long it takes. Ugh. It gets creepy every second. Alright. Okay. Let's go ahead and pick up these mangoes that I dropped. I call them they're peaches. Oh my god. Is there mangoes in this game? I think, yeah. Aren't those mangoes? There's something. That's for sure. Whatever. God, I got a whole orchard of flowers there. Ooh, oh! I like this. It did get in the way of my furniture, though. My god. There we go. Mayor, today is Nature Day. That's why I prepared a special little something to celebrate Nature Day this year. Nature Day. It's a cool globe. Please take it and never forget the importance of a clean town. More coffee. Cousteau. Sure, come over. We're gonna check out the thing anyways. Unless if I can't. All right. You know what? I want to try something with him. Oh yeah, let's postpone a visit. Okay. Glad I didn't hurt his feelings. All right, so I do have a dream town to visit today from Kevin Rombo. He posted it a couple times, so I apologize for missing this. But since I've had more time to do Animal Crossing videos now, we're going to visit it in this episode, so we'll do that last. But let's go ahead and get our fortune told with this hat today. Let's see what we got. Nice. After school jacket. She thinks? Oh boy, that's not a good sign. Alright, and it's 5 o'clock now, so the bell's gonna ring. Let's have some peaches today. Good. Still no luck on that 4-leaf. Alright, we're gonna try this again here. Yeah! About time I got one of those. I just struck gold. I am literally tingle all the way. These bells are tingling in my pants. That sounded very odd in many ways possible. Alright. Let's go sell this weird thing that I got from Kyle. See if I can do anything to the globe. Oh, okay. Never mind. You know, I feel like an urgent need to shake trees. I don't know why. Get some money. Yeah. Oh god, that's not what I wanted. Go! Sucks for you. That's how you do it, son. Bum bum. Alright, well maybe that's enough tree shaking for one day. I'll keep going. Oh my god, again? Ah! Oh, that was close. Oh boy. This is not good. Okay, I'll just sell this bee thing and get the flip away from there. Good enough. Gosh, that's crazy. Frozen is ranked in with $1.129 billion worldwide. It's still in theaters and on DVD. You don't see that very often. Where was the bee? The beehive? Somewhere around here. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, let's go check out this globe. The special globe. Is this a pitfall? Look who called it. Ah! Get me out of here. All right, let's go inside. Boom. Alright, I'm gonna put it here. Nice. Got ourselves a globe. Alright, let's head to the Dream Suite. By the way, guys, I just started playing Disney Magical World yesterday, and let me tell you, it is fun. It is dandy dandy. Scrumptious cake? I want cake. Good. That means my neighbors are how they should be. Dead or alive. Let's go and update our town. All right. All right, Kevin, let's go ahead and go visit your town. Kevin Rombo. Hopefully I said that name right. All right. New York. Ooh, I always wanted to go to New York in Animal Crossing. This might be the best vacation I've ever had in Animal Crossing. We'll see. But I'm pretty sure nothing beats the island, I'm pretty sure. But we'll see how this one goes. Is it true you can have a dog on Animal Crossing New Leaf? Okay. New York, New York. Sorry, I had to say that. What do we got? Majora's Mask, Zelda game. Don't shake? What do you mean don't shake? I'm so confused. Yeah. Oh, this is cool. That's awesome. Did you make these yourself? That's cool. Don't shake. Don't shake. They're gone. They're gone. Wait, did I get one? Oh, nope. Zelda game. Oh, these are all the different types of, Oh, that's cool. That's a perfect peach. Oh, this is cool. I want all the different types of perfect fruit. That'd be awesome. Here's his Resetti Center. Oh, God, this very detailed town. All right. Oh, my God. Attacking Toucans versus Josh Jepson. Chugga Conroy versus Chugga Conroy. Okay. I love New. Yeah, I want to get one of those. Where's Wendell? Ooh. Oh, what is this? I want this project. This is okay. I don't know what this is called, but this is like my most wanted project in the game. Along with the police station. I really want to get those. Oh my God. Put my sleep hat back on. So take a picture of this. Yeah. That's awesome. Gotta love Tails. Alright, so here's this main house. Oh my God, he's got 3 houses. Kevin, David, and Cody. Oh boy. Alright, let's explore the town first. Careful. Oh, that's... Oh, what? Oh. No running. No running. Okay, red light. Good night. Welcome to New York. And he's got the police station too, of course. Everybody but me has the police station, and Katrina lied to me. She said I would get it. She was a liar. And I was wearing 3D glasses too. Pink pinwheel. We've just got a bunch of stuff around here. Piano paper. Calorie. I'm gonna just pick up everything that looks odd. Oh, he's got a. Oh, I like your outfit. Oh, what? I didn't know there's one of these outside. That's awesome. I want that too. Oh. My God. Oh, what is this? What? I can't open it? What? What? It's a weather thing? What? Wait a second here. Let's see here. Is there anything that tells me about it? No. Okay. That's cool. What is this? It's like a hospital bed or something? I like this pathway. Got some purple roses growing there. I think those are roses. Oh wow, he's got flowers all over his beach. It's a pretty beach. Oh, he's got... Oh, this is kind of cool. He's got kind of like a little cubby hole up there. And here's Wendell, and there's an Easter egg. Yeah. Alright, I'll go with that. So we've got Nyan Cat. I love New York. I wonder if I can actually wear that as a shirt. Rainbow Tea. You know... Let's go with the rainbow tea. Let me actually check it out right now. Yeah, I like that. What other designs do I not use? Alright, I'll go with that one. So just some signs and stuff. So he's got a little sign, best shirt ever. So I guess he wears that. Alright, let's go with I Love New York. Alright. This might be the first time I've ever taken two things home. Oh, I want this too. Oh, he's got all the cool community projects in his town. Or public works projects. I keep saying community projects because I'm used to hearing that from watch people. Oh my god, what is this thing? Oh, what? It's just a giant boot. God, how do you get these? These are weird ones. I want weird community. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's just like it's a bench. There's a fountain. Oh my god. Hey, it's Link. Welcome to New York. Thank you. Alright, what's over here? White azalea start. Oh my god, he's got a bunch of fossils. Okay. Here's the dream address if you guys want to visit New York. Oh. I want that too. His town flag is Nyan Cat. You must be a big Nyan Cat lover. Alright. So let's, oh. I like this pathway. Oh! Water fountain. Nice. I want that. Dude, you've got all the cool community projects. I want them. Alright. Let's go into this house. Alright, so we've got a kind of a Halloween-themed house here. Oh, I like the graves. Alright, let's go upstairs. What is this? Huh? Heck is that thing? It's like a little vacuum cleaner thing. Oh, this is Winter Olympics theme. Nice. Oh, and that's a curdling thing. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I didn't know this was an item. That's awesome. Did you make this? Huh. Nice. All right. What? It's like a fortune teller thing. See any other ones? Nope. That's creepy. Good old Jack in the Box. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble, fire, burn, cauldron, bubble. So that must have been David's house. Yep. All right. There's one. There's another one over here. There's 3 in all. All right. Let's go into Cody's house. Okay. Best house ever. Oh, this must be him. He's got a great house, dude. There's absolutely nothing in it. Wow, this must have taken him a while. Oh! That's cool. I like that color. Oh, gotta walk through the balloon arch. Gotta make it official. Alright, we got one more house to go into. Let's follow the... Oh, wait. There we go. Follow the path. Oh, whoa! I like that chair. It's very fancy. Maybe it's a lamp or something, or the light, the night light, or something like that. Can't remember what it's called. Oh, let's pick up the egg. Okay. I wonder if this... Watch this be the grand prize ticket. Oh, what? Oh, now I can't get any more. Oh! I want it. Oh, man. How did he know to put that there if that was going to be the grand prize ticket if he didn't even open it yet? Anyways, holy cow. Let's go inside. This must be the main house of the... Oh my god. Man, this is just a whole mix of stuff. Kind of like my house. It looks like it's all kind of focused on, like, other countries and stuff, and, like, traveling. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's cool. Oh, this is my jam. Silver toilets. Oh my god, this game has everything. Don't know who he is. Oh my god, holy cow. This is awesome. Can't sit there. But I can't sit there. Fish trophy. Huh. Oh, wow. Bunch of diving suits here. Whoa! That must be what mine looks like. Bunch of Easter Bunny pictures. Geez, you must have found quite a few grand prize tickets. Oh yeah, here's the Matryoshka. That's awesome. I wish I got that. Oh well. Can't get them all. Sometimes you can't get them all. Rephrase what I was saying there. Bunch of cards. Oh my god. I want to play poker in here. Zero? Never seen that one before. Where is it? What song is this again? KK Bossa, that's right. I remember now. Yeah, it's kind of like a club, like a Vegas room. That's probably what it is. Whoa. Must have done a bunch of customizations in here because this is awesome. He's got a Eugene picture in here too. Pave. Ooh, more pictures. Huh. I like that dog. That's kind of got his eyes covered. It's the mystery dog. I need to take a picture of that. I don't know why that makes me laugh so much. It is pouring rain outside on Earth Day too. Oh my god. It's Nintendo Land in here. Oh! I still don't have the Fee mask yet, I don't think. Still need that. Oh my god, I'm making too much noise down here. Alright. Alright, well that was New York. Here's Kevin. Again. So whose house was that? Oh, that was Kevin's. So, okay, that was Kevin's. So David and Cody, so he must have some relatives too. David, thank you, man, for sending me this town. Really appreciate it. That was a really fun town to visit. So, really, really nice town too. Lots of stuff going on in it. Oh yeah, I better talk to this guy. Shep. Sheep? Shep? I don't know. He's missing an E. He must be going crazy.